hello, Sanbonani, Dumelang, all the other languages, I don't know them. My name is Mandy Rose, and this is called Bado Glow, because I like to glow, look pretty, but it's also deeper than that if you just listen to the words.
I've always kept it on the low. The spotlight has been a no-go. But it's my time now, I'm ready to blow. I told you I'ma show up and blow up. I'm here now, ready for that glow up. Yeah, eagle in and go up. Yeah, I've been dreaming and dreaming. It's time to wake up and pay up. Cause my mama need that house now, and I'ma need to be moving into that penthouse. Ready to fly, yeah, need to be catching flights now. Yeah, tell them that I'm ready for the stage now. It's been a long time coming, I've been waiting. Met up with God last night and he told me that I'm ready. And this my blow up song. This my glow up song. Yeah, this my blow up song. This my blow up song. This my glow up song. Yeah, this my blow up song. This my glow up song. This my blow up song. Take a seat now. If you got time and money, invest in me now. It took a while for me to believe in me now, but now I can't contain it, it wants to shoot out. Shooting star, I'm shining bright like one. When I peek in my future, I am blinded sun. Making my auntie proud of who I become. I see the vision. It is done. On to these dreams, don't stress me please. If you don't bring peace, you need to leave. I'm grinding please, don't disturb me. You don't bring peace, and you need to leave. Grow up son. Is this right here is my glow up son. Yeah, this my glow up song. 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 This my
And period. So yeah, Bado Glow as well now. And this one is called Low Key. It's a bit more, low key. Yeah.
It's been a minute since that time I fell for you. Been a long time since I had a single thought to you. I've been ghosting, running around like a wild child, but it's been a year now. Finally, I'm over you. Hey, kinda feeling like a cold case. Don't nobody checking in. I ain't seen a soul in days, but all I do is blaze. I be on my A's. I remember be said. It's just me, myself, and I. That's all I got till the end. Hey, for me, myself, and I. Now I can't let nobody in. Hey, to the voice that's deep inside, not the noises that's outside. I'm around, but I can hide. Maybe I better stay faded all day. Maybe lay low till luck comes my way. Maybe the stars saying I'll be alright. I'm fine for now, but if love comes around, then I'll settle down. New years, illusions, business, distractions. My bad, my shit, but wait, isn't that what I said last year? So I know I'm pushing everyone away. This independent shit got me going crazy. No, I can undo all of my mistakes, and I should stop hoping someone will save me. different. Cash me up shit, cause I've been missing out. I'm sipping, yeah, I'm sipping, but you still ain't gon' catch me slipping. No, I don't need your help, but I want it. And all your texts, I'ma try to reply it. And all them big dreams, I'm still all about it. But low key with it, low key, low key, low key. Baby, I better stay faded all day. Maybe lay low till love comes my way. Maybe the stars saying I'll be alright. I'm fine for now, but if love comes around, then I'll settle down.
Ooh, yeah. So basically, don't tell me you love me if you don't mean it, bitch. Okay, so the next song is called Bank on It. It's not released yet, so I'm pretty excited to like work on the release of the song. But it's basically a club song, so I hope it makes people dance and all of that. Yeah. Shout out to DJ Mutu.
Looking at your face right now. Looking, hey. You're probably thinking it's a done deal, huh? Another drink is all that I need to get faded. Oh, you think you're slick trying to get me wasted, but I got plans for you. Just take my hand, follow me, put your hand on my waist, and let's dance, boy. Dance, dance, dance. By the end of the night, you'll be mine, and you search, but you'll find none alike. You can back on. Clock is ticking, what you thinking? I think we should get a move on over to the room. I got something to show you, just us two, right in this room. Look in my eyes, boy, don't you feel hypnotized? Didn't your mama tell you about girls like me? Thought you were capable to handle me. Didn't take a lot for you to notice me. And now you always gonna remember me. You can bank on it. Just take my hand, follow me, put your hand on my waist, and let's dance, boy. Dance, dance, dance. By the end of the night, you'll be mine, and you search, but you'll find none alike. You can bank on it. Just take my hand, follow me, take my hand, follow me, and let's dance, boy. Dance, 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 dance. Oh, oh, you can bank on it, bank on it. You can bank on it. You can bank on it, bank on it. You can bank on it. Thank you, thank you.
Yo, what up? I'm too blessed to be stressed, Yeah, man, let's operate nice, yeah. Welcome to Comfort Zone. It's a Jan A. Tumtitimba. Spushy P together, 6875. The streets got a voice, yeah, man. So namhlanje, lapha no bangani.
Mandy Rose.
Mandy.
Yes, like
Mandy.
the flower.
Okay, Mandy Rose. Is stage names.
Yes, stage names. I'm listening.
Don't inspire ba uzenelo kama elo.
It was random actually. It sounded like actually knew Mandy Rose.
Mandy Rose.
Yeah, so it could have been Mandy Sky, Mandy Star.
I know you are the Rose.
Yeah, it was just like Rose. Okay, I like roses. So
You like roses
in like distance,
in distance. I was trying to go.
not really. Like I believe if flowers are is slightly in their natural habitat. So I don't like being bought flowers, basically.
But you uyazithanda nje. But uzithanda xa
Yes.
natural watch.
Imagine when like bring you out of your home and be like, come live in my home.
So ke ngoku mna xa ndifuna uimpressa wena ke ngoku funeka ndenze njani ngerose?
Take me to the gardens, like, hey, Mandy, roses.
Okay, yeah, the roses.
Yes.
So it's a lot ngathina attention endiyigrabha with low budget le.
Exactly.
Okay.
It's
wow.
not that deep.
I know bengayicinganga le
Yes,
funeka
yes.
ndiyenze. So yeah, man, guys, number no mini rose. Beperforma ingoma apha le yokugqibela le ndiyithandayo endiyivileyo. Yeah, laa ngoma le ithini?
It's a bank on it.
Bank on it.
As in you can put your money on it.
On it. On what?
On something.
What thing? What thing?
What was a what thing as if it's like a
Yeah.
nah.
No, like you bank on it because xa ndimamele ii-lyrics zalaa ngoma. Bank on it. You can put money on it.
It's like
ogqiba ke ngoku wena you said ba like don't say you love me but you don't mean it. Take your hands, put it on my waist and hold me. Does your mama know? Even didn't your mama tell you girls about me?
Yes, we mamele.
Yeah, and you mamele.
Okay, so let's go, Vale. Okay, let me tell you the story. So it comes from basically I was at the club one time and in Cape Town, in Marvel, by Long Street.
Long Street.
Yeah.
Wow.
So as you are in the club, you know, it's Polele at the bar. A guy's gonna come and hit on you. Girls know this, and I was just looking at all these guys like, what if I scammed them? Like they scam me, imali basically, because they're like out here trying to scam other girls basically by like, hey, let me buy you drinks, but they just want to take you home. Not all, but like the ones I was observing. I was like, girl, no.
You were sober at the time?
No, I was just chilling. I don't drink like very fast, so like I was just chilling, sipping and watching. Yeah, I don't like to get drunk because yes. So that night I was like, you know, just playing out this whole scene in my head, you know, like a group of girls just like scamming people. Not like innocent people. A guy that's basically trying to get into a girl's pants. Like, okay, you
scam this guy.
Yeah, so it was just like I imagined it as a song that could be in like a movie type thing. Yeah. It's like a seductive kind of, you know.
Yeah.
Yes.
In a dark room.
Yes.
Because finiches. Hey, mamele pa. But didn't your mother
Didn't your mother tell you about girls like me?
Yes. 10 girls like you.
Dangerous.
What kind of girl you are?
Just like in the song, in the context of the song, girls that are not, how can I put this? Not like fast, but like people that like to think, girls that like to think a bit more like, okay, there's a strategy here. No tumdu that's going to just take everything you say and be like, okay, yeah, I believe you. So girls like me in that sense, this is not what you think it is.
But xa ndimamele laa ngoma leya once njengoba bendimamele grand like yondike enye ingqondo mani ngawe yabo yandike nje enye ingqondo mani ngawe yabo.
How so?
Like akho easy for izinto ezithile nezithile yabo.
Nope.
Yani beyiphula inhliziyo out. Okay, yeah, let's move on.
Comment.
Okay, let's move on. Let's go to low key. Yeah, low key.
Yo, that one was I was in the midst of goism.
Goism?
Yes, I was goishing that time. Just life, basically. So at the time, I was like okay, I'm an introvert, really. So I'm not outside much. But that time, I was like, you know, in a period of like trying to get out of like
something.
yes, trying to get out of like my isolation, what. So I wrote low key. I was outside just like looking at the stars as I do. Um yeah, just thinking about life and like obviously getting over heartbreak. I was like, oh, I'm finally over you. I can breathe now.
So
So
ufumene heartbreak.
yeah,
From a pikas kanye
nah, it was
someone.
yeah.
Low key. Cause of cause it low key. Izinto ezininzi la ngoma ingamatcha nami ndithanda izinto low key. Ndizithanda low key. So
Yeah.
wena uyazithanda low key.
Yes,
You are
basically.
go low key. Okay.
No one knows anything that's going on in my life. That's
Besides
how low
nje
key I am.
awufane qha.
Ugh.
Sometimes siyawina guys kwezinye izinto.
Eish.
Nedlalo. Then
Wow.
ikhona ithi about the glow.
About a glow,
About
yes.
the glow ne.
It's basically
Yeah.
about a glow.
It's
That's
about a glow.
what I'm about.
Okay, yeah, you're not.
Like that one, I wrote it. It's almost like a manifestation. Like I'm saying, this is my glow up song. This is my blow up song. As in, like, I want to basically get out of poverty, basically. So the song is the first verse, like, is like, I've been praying and all this stuff and working and all the stuff. So it's basically about grinding and finally getting to where you want to be, like glowing up.
Not to glow from the low key.
Mm-hmm.
Not to glow from yonke bona usanithi ungixelele yonke situation ka low key ba kwenzeke ntoni, like you were going yonke lonto le. Then after ubhale low key wabhala about to glow up.
Actually, I wrote
About
about
the
to glow
glow,
up before low key.
Before low key.
Yeah.
Oh, but in the
So it was
sense-
like a high and a dip.
yeah,
like life, you know. Yes.
But yeah, man, yabulela. Otherwise, ungibani kwi-platforms zakho so that abantu bazokufollowisha yonke loo nto le.
Mandy Rose, MandyRoz__ all platforms, same thing.
So
Yeah.
xa befuna iingoma zakho maybe zikhona nje ibhedi ezivileyo.
Okay, Spotify, YouTube, like yeah, everywhere. So Butter Glow is part of EEP and Dianza in 2024, I think. So it's still on there. It's got a bunch of songs, and also Low Key is also on there. But Bank on It, I got released by Yona. It's still
release le.
it's still in the kitchen, you know.
Cook.
Yes.
So yeah, Spotify. So bhatala pha.
The streams, guys. Yo.
Oh, yeah,
Yes.
Ngake namfuna ucula yabo. Icule ngibhatala but
Okay.
if ubhatalwa ilayi.
Ungasebenzisi AI ke.
Yeah. Benzisebenzisa vele. Awukamsebenzisa AI wena?
To like get ideas for beats, yes, I like to like play around. There's an app called Suno. So I just like
Suno.
yes, I just like say whatever, make a beat that sounds like whatever,
Then
and then
ithathe
and then I just practice basically. But I don't.
Awusebenzisa
I
AI.
wouldn't feel like if it's even feel enough before or like
But
release
producer
something.
yakho,
I work with like a bunch of people. I don't have like one person, but umden naye kakhulu is Chris, goes by Pitoli. So
From where?
he's from Cape Town. Yes, he's from Cape Town. Let me just I don't want to tell other people's businesses. But yeah, he worked on me Gule EP that has Butter Glow. It's called Trustful. So all the songs on there I worked with him. But yeah, I like to work with a lot of people.
You like music. Uthanda umculo.
Yes, it's
How old
my
were
home.
you when you realized that you uthanda umculo?
Yo, probably a crash.
Was it cringe?
Just like city concerts. So I just saw that, yeah, I enjoy this, dancing on Michael Jackson and stuff. I was like, yes, the stage is definitely a place I like.
Okay.
Yeah.
Guys, this was Mandy Rose from Apaikas 6875 80 Torrents artist yabo. So yeah, nimvile mos. But but nimvile mos bawucula kamnandi kanjani. So guys, please before ndivale ngicelani if nisafuna ummamela you can just comment comment section has about can nisafuna Mandy Rose azoniperformela more and more. Even i-artists ezisafuna ukuza they can come right kwi-page yethu uba nifuna ukuza kanye ningatoucha mna ngatachamna just private tachuloid private ba ikufuna ukuza just into sinengxaki nayo ngabantu abangekho consistent ngento abayifunayo yabo. It's better xa consistent ngento oyifunayo ugqiba kwakho email uyilandelele uba guys ndifuna ukuza ndifuna nyani ukuze ndizoperform. You can't just state i-idea uba guys ndifuna ukuza ugqiba kwakho uthula unyamalala and then expect us uba simane sikulandelele and stuff. Funeka ibe nguwe yabo. But yeah, so
It's your career, guys. It's your career. Take it by the balls. Sorry.
theni ngathi kasinike khawubanike motivation nje.
Motivation, yo. Now I need motivation, honestly. But just keep going, man. Keep going. That's all. That's what I'm doing. Like, it's not easy. It's not meant to be. If it was supposed to be easy, then everyone would be doing. Everyone is doing it now, but just keep going. Something will happen. Yeah. And much love. Love what you're doing. That's actually the most important thing. Yeah.
Thanda lawo mazwi mina ba love what you are doing, guys. No matter what, it's any given circumstance, just love what you're doing.
Yes.
Yabo ngakulinga umamele nabantu abajajayo. Otherwise, this was Dimba in the studios. Thank you for watching until fikelele kweli xesha. Dango, we out.
Thank you.
Yeah.